Hello, friends. Welcome to the next episode of Discussion with Mukul. My name is Mukul Singla. Today, we will be discussing how to find a remote job in software and IT industry. Guys, you must have seen people starting from home with a backpack in morning, going to a software company, working for the whole day there, and coming back to home with the same laptop they had taken with them in morning, without talking to anybody physically, without interacting with anybody physically. So these are software people. It seems very natural for them to work from home. Still, if you look at actual marketplace, if you look at actual job scenario, it is pretty tough for a person to search for a remote software job. Today I will be discussing all the concerns and questions regarding this. In my opinion, guys, the biggest problem is perception. All business guys, all management guys, I would say most of the management guys, they prefer people working from home. Just for the simple biased perception, they think that if a person is sitting in front of them, then they are working, and if they are at home, they must not be working. It is their distrust in people who are working from home. It is their distrust in people that if somebody is not working in front of them, then they must not be internally motivated to do that work. Second, equally important reason is the absence of a good market. Friends, I know there are a lot of people who are looking for a good remote job, and there are a lot of companies, lot of organizations who want to do cost cutting, who want to hire people who are in a remote country but are very good in engineering. They are searching for those good people, but the main concern is since they are cost cutting, they are not able to market their jobs properly, and since they are not marketing their jobs properly, it is equally tough for job seekers to actually search for that their job or actually reach them or actually apply for them. Talking about the solution, I believe COVID-19 is a boon in disguise. COVID-19 has brought a situation where people are forced to work from home, and actually owners are looking at spike in their productivity, quite opposite to their beliefs and their perceptions about working from home. So this perception is bound to change. And second point is about market. Since the ready-made market is not there, since these remote jobs are not properly marketed, the best way forward is to look for good HR consultants. There are good HR consultants who are expert in this thing. There are good people who are actually who have their bread and butter in this thing. So they will also be helping you. They will be helping you to find a good remote job instead of going to those remote these board in the job boards or these job sites. You should approach a good professional HR person who can definitely help you. Or there is another way, just have some patience and wait for a good tech entrepreneur who will actually solve this tech problem. And most of all, guys, stay positive while this journey, stay hopeful while this journey. Best wishes and thanks.